pag-workout. Kaya kasama natin sila as we try the shadow boxing workout na syempre si Saviour ang taya. Okay.
Yes.
Tuturuan mo na ang mga tita mo at ang ate mo. Ate ka ba?
True.
Okay.
Actually, Mars, hindi pala natin alam na meron pala siyang boxing business. Okay,
Yes
sir.
po, yes po.
Okay, so gaano katagal na itong business na to?
Actually po, kaka-start ko lang like mga 4 months ago. But nung pa-start po ako, bigla po akong like pinagsabihan ni Papa na stop muna. Kasi po ako po mismo yung nagtitrain.
Okay.
So ayaw niya po kasi COVID niya po. And then, ayun. So nag-stop po muna ako and as of now, meron po akong trainer. Meron po akong mga trainers na sila po muna nagtuturo.
Pero are you really into martial arts? Paano
Yeah,
nagsimula na maisipan mo yung business na to?
Nag-start po kasi ako ng boxing since grade 2 po ako eh. So hanggang grade 6 po. And then nung first year ako nag-start po ako mag-MMA.
Okay.
And then nag-Muay Thai din po ako.
Okay.
And then nung etong grade 12 po ako nag-start na po ako mag-boxing like yung consistent na po. Stop lang po ako for a month, 2 months, ganun. Tapos right now yun, gusto ko po ma-push yung boxing po na trainer po kami.
Alright, so Pars, we're ready. Turuan mo ko na kami ng iyong mga shadow boxing routines na pwede natin gawin sa bahay, Mars.
Okay, so first mag-start po tayo like pag nagbo-boxing, always bend your knees.
Okay.
Bend your knees po, yan.
Sorry,
Ganyan.
anong sasabihin mo sa amin? Si
Jab. Yung pag-jab po is yung left-handed po ba lahat? Right-handed po ba lahat?
Ako, right.
Ako,
Right.
Left ka po.
I'm left.
So yung jab nyo po is yung right hand.
Okay.
So pag nag-jab po tayo,
Si
yun
Manny
yung
Pacquiao ka pala
natin,
eh.
left.
nga eh.
Tapos yung right, yung straight natin is yung dominant hand po natin.
Okay.
So when I say jab straight.
Jab, straight.
Tapos ito-twist nyo po yung knees nyo. Yeah, yun,
Okay,
ganun po
okay.
makikita. Okay, so right now, lagyan po natin ng basic combo which is jab, straight, and then hook.
Okay.
So pag nag-hook po tayo,
jab,
ito-twist po yung
straight.
left knee natin. So jab, straight, hook.
Jab,
Jab, straight.
Hook. There you go.
Okay,
Ganun po.
okay, okay.
May see yours?
Tama ba ako?
Go. No, ito muna. Ito yung jab mo. Jab, straight. Yan. Jab, straight, then hook. Now, upper. After jab, straight, hook, then upper. Upper right. There you go.
Ako, left
Jab,
ako.
straight, hook,
Jab, straight.
upper.
Jab, straight, hook.
Upper.
Nakonfuse na
Lang
ako.
muna.
Jab, straight,
Hook, then
upper.
upper. There you go. Tapos, pag medyo advanced na po,
Natagdagan na natin yun?
yeah, dadagdagan na po natin agad.
Oh my God.
So, gawin po natin muna is jab, straight, hook, then upper, tapos slip. Mayroon po yung slip, then straight, hook, straight.
Ano daw?
Jab, straight, hook, upper,
Upper.
slip, straight, hook,
Ano yung
straight.
slip? Parang salag.
Yeah, yung parang
Up.
salag po.
Okay, ganun. Like,
Ingat niyo po yung face nyo. Then straight, hook, straight.
straight, hook, straight.
Ano? Straight, hook, straight.
There you go.
Straight.
Yeah, mga basic lang po.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
So
good?
now, we're just gonna listen to you and just keep doing the combinations.
Okay,
na.
sige po.
Okay. Ready?
Game? Ready?
Game.
Let's go. Jab, straight, hook, upper, slip, straight, hook, straight.
Straight.
Oh my God.
Bago.
Grabe, hype na hype si Mars eh. Train mo kasi
Sorry, Mark.
masyado.
Kasi, iniisip ko lang talaga, tita, oh,
Ito ba ang energy ng isang tita? Okay.
Okay, wow, okay. Medyo nakakalito. Now I get it. Kasi pag first time mong magboxing, tapos hindi ka familiar with the terms.
Yeah.
Malilito ka parang ano yung jab, ano yung straight, ano yung slip.
Yeah.
Alright,
Ready.
Okay.
try this again.
One more. Let's go. Jab, straight, hook, upper, slip, straight, hook, straight. So right now, yung ano naman po, yung basic shadow boxing lang, yung like parang anywhere kaya nyo.
Okay.
Upper lang.
Upper.
Ganyan.
Ano yung stance dapat?
Yan, ganun pa rin po, tita.
Okay.
Ginagalit mo si Mars, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Sige, ano sinabi mo?
Okay, no.
Yeah, ganyan po.
So this
Okay.
is upper. Okay, tapos
Yeah,
this
every
is
like
hook.
1 minute yan and then yung...
Wow, ito lang ha? For what? For how long?
Yes po, 1 minute. Usually
Wow,
3
1
minutes
minute?
po, but pag start pa lang 1 minute.
So 3 minutes is the one round, parang ganon.
Yeah.
But man, if you,
Basic.
Mars, do that for 1 minute?
Lalo na kung aayusin mo yung puwersa.
At saka kung gigil na gigil ka.
Yes. Ang
Oh,
taas
yeah.
niya sa heart rate.
Tapos
Yes
how
po,
many
sobra.
sets?
3 sets po.
So parang I feel like this is so good because if you have any like like whatever anger that you might have inside you.
Stress Mars.
Oh, it's
Yes,
a really
sir.
good stress reliever.
Yeah, you just keep doing that for 30 minutes and you're good. Pag pinawisan ka na, ox na. Wow, thanks for that,
Yeah.
Savior.
Thanks, Savior.